Om Namah Shivaya. Today I am going to share insights on which Rudraksha should you wear. Rudraksha should be always worn based on zodiac signs. But please be mindful that your zodiac sign should always be obtained from your horoscope, and for this you may need an astrological guidance. The Rudraksha seed is a Lord Shiva blessings to wear because of its powerful positive vibrations, which protects against all kinds of evil influences and negative energy. Rudraksha is the divine blessing of Lord Shiva to cure many of the adversaries and to free the person from all its sins and bad karmas. It harmonizes environment around you so that you feel comfortable, relaxed and radially able to express yourself. It is a shield against negative energies. It is possible for some people to use negative energies to cause harm to someone else, or there may be a very bad energy in a place where you live or work. A Rudraksha is a kind of shield against this and stops you from being hit by the ill effects of any environment, situation, or person. Generally, Rudraksha is a positive bead, but its positive effects doubles if worn according to zodiac sign. Hence, it is best to consult an astrologer before wearing one. Now let's talk about the best suitable Rudraksha based on the zodiac signs. Zodiac sign Aries is ruled by planet Mars. The ruling planet of Trimukhi Rudraksha is also Mars. Hence, it is recommended that Trimukhi Rudraksha should be worn by Aries people. This Rudraksha destroys all the sins done by a person in his past life and makes him pure on a spiritual level, like Agni does with all those who come in its contact. It also helps in getting rid of fear of unknowns. The mantra one should chant before wearing this Rudraksha is Om Klim Namaha. Zodiac sign Taurus is ruled by planet Venus. The ruling planet for Sixmukhi Rudraksha is also Venus. Hence, Sixmukhi Rudraksha is suitable for Taurus sign people. Wearer is blessed with willpower, courage, vitality, and it releases lethargy, an element of lust and ego. It also brings good luck and luxury for the wearer. Mantra for chanting is Om Hrim Hum Namaha. Zodiac sign Gemini is ruled by planet Mercury. Four-Mukhi Rudraksha is most suitable for Gemini people. It is said that one who wears Four-Mukhi Rudraksha attains the level of Divij and transforms himself to a totally new person. Zodiac sign Cancer is ruled by planet Moon. Do-Mukhi Rudraksha is best for Cancer sign. This Rudraksha is also known as the Unity Rudraksha, as it brings about unity for its wearer. This Rudraksha helps in harmonizing relations between two individuals, thereby making happier and everlasting relations. Mantra to chant is Om Namaha. Zodiac sign Leo is ruled by planet Sun. One-Mukhi and 12-Mukhi Rudraksha are most suitable for Leo sign people. One-Mukhi Rudraksha symbolizes Lord Shiva himself. It is the powerful Rudraksha for anyone who wants to enjoy all the worldly blessings as well as ultimately get inclined to the supreme power. Mantra to chant is Om Hrim Namaha. Zodiac sign Virgo is ruled by planet Mercury. Four-Mukhi Rudraksha is recommended for people with Virgo sign. Mantra to chant is Om Hrim Namaha. Zodiac sign Libra is ruled by planet Venus. 6 Mukhi and 13 Mukhi Rudraksha is very beneficial for people with Libra sign. Mantra to chant is Om, Hrim, Hum, Namaha. Zodiac sign Scorpio is ruled by planet Mars. 3 Mukhi Rudraksha is suitable for all Scorpions. Mantra to chant is Om, Klim, Namaha. Zodiac sign Sagittarius is ruled by planet Jupiter. Panchmukhi Rudraksha is suitable for Sagittarius signs as it grants them with health, wealth, and prosperity. Mantra to chant is Om, Hrim, Namaha. Zodiac sign Capricorn is ruled by planet Saturn. 7 Mukhi and 14 Mukhi Rudraksha is very well suitable for Capricorn sign people, which grants them name, fame, and abundance in life. Mantra to chant is Om, Hum, Namaha. Zodiac sign Aquarius is also ruled by planet Saturn. 7 Mukhi and 14 Mukhi Rudraksha are recommended for Aquarius sign people. Mantra to chant is Om, Hum, Namaha. Zodiac sign Pisces is ruled by Jupiter. Panchmukhi Rudraksha is most potent for Pisces sign people. It enhances memory power, awareness, intellect, and word power. It removes malefic effects of Jupiter and helps one to connect with Lord Shiva. Mantra to chant is Om, Hrim, Namaha. I hope this discourse of mine will help you to choose the right Rudraksha meant for you. May Lord Shiva bless you with success, happiness, wisdom, peace, and prosperity. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel as you would be getting many more informative discourses which could be life-changing for you. Stay positive, stay informed, and stay strong. God bless you all.